Class 6 Grammar Chapter 1 Parts of Sentences. Firstly, let us understand what are phrases. Groups of words that make partial sense. Partial sense means incomplete sense are called phrases. A phrase does not have a verb. So children, a group of words which has an incomplete sense and which does not have a verb is called a phrase. For example, the chocolate cake. This is a group of words which is having a sense but not a complete sense, and it is also not having a verb in it. Then what is a sentence? A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. And जैसा कि हमने पहले पढ़ा, a sentence has a verb also. For example, Amina ate the chocolate cake. Here Amina is the subject and the verb is ate. So this sentence makes a complete sense. Now children, sentences are further divided into 4 types. These are declarative sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences and exclamatory sentences. So let us understand them in detail. So the first type of sentences are declarative sentences. Declarative sentences simply state something. They end with a full stop. It means a simple sentence which says something is a declarative sentence. For example, tomorrow is a holiday. We can have some more examples like I go to school or my name is Sapna. So, simple sentences are called declarative sentences. Next type of sentences are imperative sentences. Imperative sentences make requests or give commands and advice. जब किसी सेंटेंस में रिक्वेस्ट की जाती है या कमांड दी जाती है या एडवाइस दी जाती है तो उस टाइप के सेंटेंस को इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड विद अ फुल स्टॉप बट दे मे ऑल्सो एंड विद एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस के आखिर में फुल स्टॉप भी हो सकता है और एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क भी हो सकता है. For example, please lend me your book. This sentence is a request and it is ending with a full stop. Another example is clean your room immediately. This sentence is a command and it is ending with an exclamatory mark. Both these types of sentences are imperative sentences. Next type of sentences are interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask questions. It means जो भी sentences question पूछने के लिए use होते हैं they are called interrogative sentences. Every interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. हर interrogative sentence की end में question mark होता ही है. For example, when will you return the book? This is an interrogative sentence and there is a question mark in the end of this sentence. There could be many more examples like what is your name? In which class do you study? These are all interrogative sentences. Next type of sentences are exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong or sudden feelings. जिन sentences के through strong feelings express की जाती है उनको exclamatory sentences कह सकते हैं. सडन फीलिंग्स मीन्स जैसे कि दुख या आश्चर्य, ऐसी कोई भी फीलिंग जब किसी सेंटेंस के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस करते हैं तो उन सेंटेंसेस को बोलते हैं एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंसेस. एवरी एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस एंड्स विद एन एक्सक्लामेशन मार्क. हर एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस के एंड में एक्सक्लामेशन मार्क होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, our vacations begin today. This sentence is ending with an exclamation mark, so this is a exclamatory sentence. Now let us revise all the four types of sentences. As we read earlier about declarative sentences are also known as assertive sentences. Assertive sentences simply state something. They are just simple sentences. They are also known as declarative sentences. For example, I went to school today. Second type, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences make request or give commands and advice. For example, could you help me with my homework? This is the example of an imperative sentence. But children, this sentence is ending with a question mark. So, here you have to identify that a sentence ending with a question mark is an imperative sentence or a interrogative sentence. As in this sentence there is a request for help, so this is an imperative sentence and not an interrogative sentence. Third type of sentences are interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask questions. For example, are you not keeping well? This is a question, so it is called an interrogative sentence. As we read earlier, the next type of sentences are exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong or sudden feelings. Every exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. So children, exclamation mark हर exclamatory sentence की पहचान है. For example, what a beautiful place. This sentence is expressing a sudden feeling of joy. इस सेंटेंस से खुशी जाहिर हो रही है, इसलिए यह एक exclamatory sentence है and it is ending with a exclamation mark. Now children, let us try to identify the type of sentences. First one, I am going to London next week. Children, this is a very simple sentence, so this is a assertive or declarative sentence. Second one, you must read this chapter for test. Children, this is an instruction or an order, so this is the imperative sentence. Third one, are you going to Varun's birthday party? Now, as all of you know that this sentence is a question, so this is an interrogative sentence. And the fourth one, what a surprise. All of you know that this sentence is ending with an exclamation mark and it is showing a sudden feeling. So this is an exclamatory sentence. So the answers are assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Now children, here are some multiple choice questions, the answers of which you have to write yourself in your notebooks. What you have to do is, you have to read the sentences and write their types. I will go to the supermarket tomorrow. Please pass me that soda bottle. What a beautiful flower. is my brother. Why are you waiting here? Here are some more sentences for you, like an octagon is an eight-sided figure. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon. How happy I am to see you. Pack your bags and come quickly. Why hasn't she replied to my mail yet? I am so sorry for breaking your mirror. Who was the second president of India? She won 2 gold medals at the Olympic Games. I have never seen such juicy mangoes in my life. So bye children, have a happy learning.